So you, Killian, you are the artist. You are the creator. It is your responsibility to take the concepts in your mind and your heart and to create them into an audio form, right? And so when someone comes and tells you, oh, hey, no, you didn't create it right. You didn't translate right from your mind or your heart to the DAW. It's like, what? Like, that doesn't make sense. You don't have the authority to say that. I think it's fine, especially if it's someone that you work with or that you trust, and they say, have you thought about doing this here? Or, are you willing to open for feedback? Stuff like that. That's fine. But at the end of the day, you are the creator. That is your job, right? And everyone else, any other part of the team, the manager, the friends, all that kind of stuff, they have to give deference to that. They have to understand, hey, this is Killian's like playground. This is his sacred space. And to come in and say, no, your sacred space isn't enough. It isn't sacred enough. You're not supposed to have this here. You're supposed to have this here. It's like, who are you to do this? I understand that is what you would do in your sacred space, but this is my sacred space, and that's not okay. Does that make sense?
Yes, absolutely. Like, if I ask for it, and if there's like a point where I'm like, hey, how can I do this better? Because I'm a little unsure, like how I want to translate this. And there's like some trusted friends. I always have like this group of friends that gives me feedback on my tracks, and I just know that they understand my vision. I think that's like a big important part, because there are some people that can help you, but they have to understand what you're going for, and sometimes it can help to have like a different perspective on things if they know where you're going. You can have feedback from outside, but it's very important to know like who those people are, what they are trying to go for, and if they really understand what you are trying to do.
It's amazing that you have these group of friends that you can talk to, that you can bring your tracks to. I would really hope that these friends that you have, that you guys have the type of relationship where if they said, oh, you need to have this element in there, or like, for example, the what you just said, which is, hey, this section, it kind of throws me off. And if you say something to the extent of, thank you, but I'm going to keep it, and they say, cool, yeah, like whatever, and they walk away. They don't take it personally. They're not like, oh, you never listened to my advice. I wish there was this understanding with the people that you have close in your life, within your artistic life, where you can say, I want your advice, but know that I am not going to follow it 100% of the time. And that's okay. That doesn't reflect anything about you. That doesn't mean you suck. That doesn't mean I hate your advice. It just means sometimes I like your advice and sometimes I don't. DAW Nation, listen very closely. This is not the end to this content. This was a teeny tiny little snippet from our full episode. You can check out the full episode in the link in the description. And when you go to the free episode, you can get a free pack over there. So go check it out right now. Why are you still here? Get out of here. Go check it out. We'll see you over there.